Wanted to shoot a quick video about the importance of doing regular inspections by a trained professional. So this customer here was doing their own oil changes, and they weren't able to look over the vehicle properly on a regular basis, which resulted in the vehicle breaking down on them. So this is what happened. This is a pretty common problem on Hondas, where the half shaft will begin to rust at the dampener. This side here is going to get replaced. It hasn't broken in half. But as you can see, this side already broken. That left them stranded on the side of the road. So don't underestimate the value of getting regular inspections whenever you have normal services done, like oil changes, tire rotations, things like that. Get the vehicle inspected. That way you know if there's something wrong that could possibly cause you to break down.